My name is Hexie.
And I'm Haley.
We are the product designer duo at Duolingo. Here at Duolingo, we believe that each step you take towards your learning goals is worth celebrating. Today, we want to share some exciting updates for the Duolingo Achievements.
Starting to learn a new language is always exciting. But quite frankly, keeping up with it can feel a bit tough, since improvements can happen slowly and there aren't clear goals to reach. As a result, maintaining motivation can be the top challenge for many language learners. Oftentimes, we hear people saying, learning on Duolingo feels like playing mini games. This is no coincidence. At Duolingo, we have a secret sauce to keep our learners engaged throughout their language learning journey, and that is gamification. A key part of our gamification recipe is the achievement system. The concept isn't just popular in gameplay. Extensive research has proven the magic power for achievements to boost people's motivation in educational contexts as well. Indeed, we felt that magic early on. Like many Chinese kids, Hexie and I began learning English at a young age, and we find it boring. But everything changed as our teacher introduced a sticker reward system, which instantly sparked a competition between us to collect those colorful animal stickers. The once boring subject became an enjoyable experience, inspiring us to learn more and learn better.
Nowadays, we still have fun competing with each other earning badges in the Duolingo app. Meanwhile, as designers, we have a greater mission in mind. That is, making Duolingo achievements even better for our learners. Let's put it into context by doing a quick history lesson on this feature. The achievements were first introduced in 2017. Later, we updated the mini icon system to a tiered badge framework in 2019. In the current version, which many of you may find familiar, we kept the illustration and added a new level system. As the rest of the app evolves, the achievements start to feel like a little holdover. This feature is not reaching its full potential in engaging our learners. We began to envision new possibilities. What if we improve the badge visuals, making them more collectible and appealing? What if we made earning achievements more exciting, so our learners had a greater sense of accomplishments as they progress? What if we tried personalization, ensuring achievements stay relevant at all times? After months of hard work with our talented teams, today I'm very happy to introduce the major redesign to the Duolingo Achievements. Let us show it to you.
Each achievement badge is now infused with humor and gives you a peek into the personality of your favorite Duolingo characters. Check out that Eddie, the earnest, fitness-loving father, takes center stage for the XP Olympian achievement. To encounter him within the app, all you need to do is to earn XP points by doing lessons. We further incorporate fun animations to make the badges truly come to life. Simply tilting your device, you can now interact with the depth and motion of a badge and really immerse yourself in the delightful moment of achieving a milestone. The excitement doesn't stop there. Getting ready for a fun learning adventure where you will uncover a diverse range of achievements as you progress. Some are regular milestones, such as correcting mistakes. Some are unexpected surprises, like studying late into the night. And even the rarest of treasures, like maintaining a daily streak for an entire year. And the list goes on.
Now you might be wondering, where can I find my badge collections? Just head over to the Profile tab. You can catch a preview of the achievements you've earned recently. Tapping on the View All button will bring you to a full page showcasing all the badges, including the ones you've earned and the ones you're working towards. With this new gallery-style layout and clear sections, you can now easily discover and browse through all the achievements. Moreover, you can open up detail pages by tapping into each badge from the list. The detail pages allow you to closely appreciate what you've achieved and proudly share them with the world. While swiping through the carousel, you can get a clear understanding of your progress, as well as revealing helpful insights on the next goal to achieve.
But wait, there's more. Have you ever felt proud of hitting a new longest streak, but wish you got more credit for it? We understand, and we are so excited to bring you the personal records. These unique badges represent your top achievements, including longest streak, daily XP, most perfect lessons completed in a day, and the highest league you've reached. These are totally personalized goals for you, and you can keep updating them as you do better. The brand new Achievements is out on Android now and will be coming soon on Apple devices. We can't wait for you to explore and collect each one of them. With the new design, we hope you unlock a renewed sense of motivation while learning on Duolingo. Together, we will celebrate milestones and make learning a joy for everyone.
Thank you.